Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation plus, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using palm dots and word mass method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 0, B is -1, C is -2 and D is -3. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, Mass and PAMDAS rule. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis. So you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication. So what you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. So if division is coming first, so you have to solve the division first. And if multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first. And we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the Mass and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. But in our expression, we do not have any bracket or parenthesis. We can skip this step. Now move forward. Step number 2, we have to solve the exponent and power of any number. So we have here 2 raised to power 3. So we have to solve this one. So what we have to do, we have to go 1 minus 3 multiplied by 8 divided by 2 raised to power 3 means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 8. So 2 to the 4 and 4 to the 8 minus 1. We will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 2 raised to power 3 means 8. Now move forward. Step number 1 and 2 we have solved. Now we have to solve the division and multiplication or multiplication and division. So what we have to do, we have to go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming first. So now we have 1 minus 3 multiplied by 8. We will multiply these two terms and get the answer is 24. And divided by 8, we will write here as it is. And minus 1, again we have to write as it is. And here we have to give the reference like 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 8 equals to 24. Now move forward. Again, we have to go left to right and find out division and multiplication. So now we have this division which is 24 divided by 8. We will divide these two terms. 1 minus 24 divided by 8 means 3 minus 1. And here we have to give the reference 24 divided by 8 equals to 3. Now move forward. We have to solve the addition and subtraction, or you can say subtraction and addition. So now we have to go again left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 1 minus 3, which is equals to minus 2 minus 1. And here we have to give the reference 1 minus 3 equals to minus 2. Now we have two terms which are subtracting each other. So we will subtract both of them and get the answer is minus 3. So the answer of the given expression is minus 3. If you see the answer list, so answer D is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and word mass method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these tough quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.